Hey, in this video, I want to show you really quickly how you can make a website, even if you've no experience, no coding, you don't need a web designer or developer to do this. It's very easy and it'll cost you $3.50 per month if you want. So you come on to, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to hostgator.com and you need to come on here and you need to host your website and you need to get this baby plan, which gives you unlimited websites. One-click WordPress install is what we need. This is what you're going to be using to build your website. And you're going to get a free SSL certificate, which Google needs these days. It's like a security thing. It's up here. So your website needs the HTTPS. So this is free as well with this. It's just a token, like a security thing that tells Google that your website is secure and safe. And then you get a free domain with this as well, so you get your free website. So you can put in abccleaningcompany.com. This is going to be yours, and you just come on, you click buy now, you get your domain here, fill in your domain, whatever you want to call your business online. The baby plan for that's 3 years is only $3.50 per month, or else you can choose the monthly, which is nearly $12, $11.95 per month, which is still really, really cheap. Just fly on down here, you fill in all your details here, and you just pay. And after that, you get an email with your details, and you'll end up on a control panel like this. It's called the HostGator C panel. And they'll also send you something like this, which is the portal, the HostGator portal. So there's two separate things that you get off HostGator, which is the portal and the C panel. And your domain, what you do then is when you're on here, you want to come to this page, you just need to come down here, you need to go to domains, and this is the one that I bought yesterday. So this is what I'm going to be using to build the website. And you just come onto this, and this might be yellow at the start. There might be a little yellow thing here that you won't be allowed to actually do anything. So you might have to wait an hour or two for this to propagate, what they're called. And you just click more, and you come down to change name servers, and you need to click automatically point to my hosting account. So you're going to have servers for your hosting account. So that's basically where your website's going to be hosted. And you just need to click automatically point my domain. I done this yesterday, so this is why mine is here. So these are mine already. And then what you need to do then after that, once that's done, you need to come on to control panel, C panel, which is here, and you just come down to WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and we're just going to go on here now, and we're going to click install, and we are going to find your domain. So if you just have one domain, it's going to be here, but all these are kind of mine, and you just click the one that you want. And we're going to quickly just change this to what your business is, your site name, and a quick description of it. So cleaning business based in Limerick. We're going to grab this password here. You can make your own password too if you want. This is going to be your login details. So you can change your name and you can change the password, and make sure that you change the email address here as well. So I'm just going to put it to this one. So this is what you need to do. You need to change your username, change your password, and add your email. So this is what you're going to need to log into WordPress and build your website. So that's very important that you do that. And we're just going to come down here. I don't think we have to fill in all them. I'm not too sure. And then you just come along here and we wait for this to load. And I'm just going to pause this for a second until this is done, and then we'll jump straight into building the website. So all this is now after completing the install. And all we need to do now is you need to click on this link. So WP admin, this is the WordPress admin, and you need to use the details that you filled out here to log in. So we're just going to click this now. Hopefully it'll all show up. Oh yeah, I've got a safety thing on mine. I don't have my SSL certificate. So you get your SSL certificate. This is what happens if you don't have it. So you're going to get things saying that your website isn't safe. So I'm just going to say yeah, because I know it's my website. So this is after happening here, and we just need to go to wp/admin, and it's still not working. So we're back on here. I think sometimes that just may need to take a few minutes to load up or something. I'm not too sure what happened there, but anyway, we're back on. You just put in your password here and the username that you used in the details, and we're just going to log in. And this is where you're going to start building your website. It's going to be nice and easy. Don't need any experience, and I'm going to show you exactly how. It's going to be drag and drop, nice and simple stuff. So first, I'm going to move myself over here, and you need to come down to plugins. And we're just going to do a bit of cleaning up before we start here, because WordPress gives you all these plugins. They're like apps. They're like an app on your phone kind of thing, but they're for your website. So it's going to come down here, bulk actions, deactivate, apply. And then we're going to press them all again, and we're going to delete, and we're going to apply. So now what you need to do is you need to go to add new up here, and you just need to go to search, and we're going to type in starter and see if this shows up. Yeah, this one right here, starter templates, Elementor, Gutenberg, Beaver Builder templates. And we're going to go to install now. And you have to press activate. And then you need to go to C library right here. And click Elementor. This is like a web page builder. It's like a website builder where you can just drag and drop. It's nice and simple. This is the one that I always use. I think it's the best one. So you just need to click on that one. And then here you go. Here's your themes. These are the websites that you can choose from. So you can either pay or you can get free. We'll go for free. And you can still get some pretty nice ones. So you can still type in, if you have a certain type of business up here, it might be here. So we just type in cleaning, and you know what, we'll just go for local business here. And what you do here is you click import complete site, and then we just come on WordPress. I'm building this for myself, my company, and you just press, say your intermediate, and David, and this is, and submit, and start importing. So again, you just wait for this to import and load up, and I'll just pause this for a second until it's after doing it. So that's after importing here. You can now view your site. So this is now your website, and all you have to do is you have to just edit it. You can drag and drop, you can add your own photos, you can add your own logo and stuff. So you can put your logo up here. This is your menu. You can change your number. And how to do this is you come up here, you edit with Elementor. So edit with Elementor. So all you have to do is just click, And here's the text right here. You can change the text to anything. You can delete. You can say cleaning business in Limerick, and below that then you can write any text here you want. You can put in anything. You can click on this. You can change the photo. You choose an image. You just click here, select files, and you can choose anything you want to do. That's all you can do. This is it. It's simple. So just go on to this one. I'll do this one. You insert media right here, and there you go. There's your images up. And in order to actually like swap images around and do different things with them, you can. This is how you do it. You actually go into the image. You press advanced, and like padding, you can add. You can move it up. You can move it down. So see it there. It's moving up and moving down. You can also like move it right, move it left, all this kind of stuff. It just takes a bit of playing around. I'm not really going to show you in this video, but if you just come on and just you give this a few hours every day or a few hours a week, like you'll have a website up here in no time running for you. Like you don't need a designer these days. You can change everything. You can delete stuff. So if you don't like this part, all you do is come up, see this little thing here. You press X. That's it. Boom, done. Request a callback. You can actually put your number in here. I think the link is something like this. You need to press tell and then put your phone number in like that. I'm not too sure what the link is. If you have questions, I can ask you. You can ask me more about this, how it's done. I can make more videos, but I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to get a website up without hiring someone or doing anything. And it just needs a bit of playing about. Change the footers and the header and put in your logo. I'm going to show you how to do this now. You do this outside of Elementor Page Builder. You can't do it in Elementor unless you get another plugin. So what we do is we go back out here to the dashboard of WordPress, and you go to appearance and you go to customize. So appearance and customize, and then this will bring you to the menus that you can change your header and footer. So you go to header builder and footer builder. Nice and easy. Header builder. Here's your logo. You click on it and you can put your logo in here. So all you do is just go to change logo. You can add in your photo, and there's also, I've made another video about this too, but in order to make a quick logo, all you have to do is go to canva.com and you just go up here, you type in logo, and they have all these logos here for you to choose from, and you can just choose any one you want. So just choose this one, or else you can make your own one if you want as well, and you can just edit it. You can just come in here, you can just click on the text, you can put in cleaning biz. You can come to your slogan. You can delete that. You can change colors. You can go to the colors here. Sorry. So you just click that. You make it pink, and this one you can change to whatever color you want. You can also put in a code for the color. So this is basically your website built, ready to go. Costs you, if you get 36 months, it's going to cost you $3, whatever it is a month. Like that's coffee per month. And you don't need to hire a developer or anyone. And it just takes a bit of practice just to come in here and play with it for a while, mess around for a while, drag and drop things. There's other videos you can watch on YouTube as well about all this. And if you have any questions and you want me to make more videos to go more in depth about this, then we can. And I can show you how to add contact forms and your phone number and all that. And that's it. So hope you enjoyed the video, and talk to you again soon.